Loading cargo onto a vessel is a fascinating and systematic process that plays a crucial role in maritime operations. It's not just about throwing boxes onto a ship. It involves careful planning, coordination, and adherence to safety protocols. Let's dive into the essentials of this process. First, we need to understand the importance of proper planning. Before any cargo is loaded, a detailed loading plan is created. This plan outlines the type of cargo, its weight, and how it will be distributed across the vessel. Proper weight distribution is vital to maintain the ship's stability. If cargo is loaded unevenly, it can lead to dangerous tilting or even capsizing. Next, let's talk about the types of cargo. There are various categories, including bulk cargo, containerized cargo, and break bulk. Each type has its own loading requirements. For instance, bulk cargo, like grains or coal, is often loaded using conveyor belts or cranes, while containerized cargo is loaded into standardized containers that can be easily stacked and secured. Safety is paramount during the loading process. Workers must wear appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, which includes helmets, gloves, and safety boots. It's also essential to conduct safety briefings before loading begins. Everyone involved should be aware of the potential hazards, such as moving machinery and heavy loads. Now, let's discuss some do's and don'ts. Do ensure that all cargo is properly secured before the vessel sets sail. This means using straps, nets, or other securing methods to prevent shifting during transit. Do communicate effectively with your team. Clear communication can prevent accidents and ensure that everyone is on the same page. On the flip side, don't overload the vessel. Each ship has a maximum load capacity, and exceeding this limit can lead to serious safety issues. Also, don't ignore weather conditions. Loading during adverse weather can be risky, so it's crucial to monitor forecasts and adjust loading schedules accordingly. Another important aspect is the use of technology. Modern vessels are equipped with advanced loading systems that help streamline the process. These systems can monitor weight distribution in real time, allowing for adjustments as needed. Embracing technology not only enhances efficiency, but also improves safety. As we load cargo, it's essential to keep the environment in mind. Proper waste disposal and minimizing spills are critical to protecting marine ecosystems. Following environmental regulations is not just a legal obligation. It's our responsibility as stewards of the sea. In conclusion, loading cargo onto a vessel is a complex yet rewarding process. By understanding the systematic approach, prioritizing safety, and adhering to best practices, we can ensure that our maritime operations run smoothly. Whether you're a maritime learner or simply curious about the industry, appreciating the intricacies of loading can deepen your understanding of the maritime world.